last one. I have to go to the bathroom.
Tequila Bonzi? Where are my Poptarts at? Where'd they go? No. Hell no. Lloyd? Where are you, Lloyd? I want my Pop-Tarts back. Where are you?
Hold it right there, Ratjitchi. I'm the one who has your Pop-Tarts, and this year I'm gonna win, just like I did in 2012.
2012? Wait a minute. Oh wait, I remember. This year, I'm gonna be winning. And you wanna know something? I'm gonna get my Pop-Tarts back, alright? Because this year, one of us is going down.
Whatever you say. First blood!
Whoa, it's on now.
Oh my God! Is this the future? That Pop-Tart will be mine. Fuck! That Pop-Tart belongs to me. Fucking gun is jammed. It's over now. It's over now. Bring it on. Yeah, come on. Put him. Well, would you look at that? Looks like I win this battle, Nick. Any last words before I claim that Pop-Tart of mine? Wait. We can talk about this. No. Finally, the taste of victory. Oh man, I've been waiting so many years for this. I've been waiting so many years. What? Oh, I hate this flavor.